Magsasagawa ng special sessions ang BTA Parliament ngayong linggo o sa ikalawang linggo ngayong buwan ayon kay BARM Interim Chief Minister Abdul Rauf Macacua upang talakayin ang BARM Districting Bill. Sa exclusive interview ng iMinds Philippines, sinabi ni ICM Macacua ang pagkakaroon ng districting law ang susi para magkaroon ng BARM parliamentary elections. Narito ang pahayag ng opisyal.
Actually, there is these 6 bills na file on the districting. So now when we had a meeting with some of the leaders of the BTA, so ang position nila is to consolidate that 6 bills into one. Then doon na lang magpa-file. So doon na lang, kasi may government of the day sa bills na. Meron.
Which one?
Meron. Yung kay Kwan, yung not necessarily government of the day maybe because galing yun sa darapanan. So, MILF version yun. So, ang napagkasunduan is gagawin with the speaker, the present speaker napagkasunduan, na gawin na lang na i-consolidate. Then, from there, kung anong mapagkasunduan, doon mag-certify ng urgent or certification of urgency of the bill ang Chief Minister. Kaya nga nag-certify kami kapon because we have these consolidated bills na na-approve na through committee level.